Here's a couple of tips for you next time you're out camping. First one's going to be about the Coleman Party Pail. The next one is going to be about the pocket chainsaw. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Robert again, coming at you with another video. Well, let's go to the first camping hack when I was at the campground, and let's see what camping hack I have for today. Here's a nice little camping hack for you. Now, you don't know what kind of fire pit you're gonna get at a campground. I mean, I'll show you the grate on this. It's missing like 3 or 4 of the grate. So you bring out one of these Coleman Party Pails. Get some charcoal and get some wood. And then you get a fire pit like this. I mean, you would have to put the heavy-duty foil on this anyways, but then there's that big hole. So you just take your potty pail, throw some wood in there with the charcoal, put the grate up over a little bit so you can get some air, and you can cook your burgers. And there it is. Nice little camping hack, the Coleman Party Pail. So, in case you don't have a good fire pit, just put your potty pail in the fire pit and use whatever of the grate you have and cook your hamburgers, hot dogs, steaks, whatever. Well, there's a quick tip for you. So, happy camping. Okay, well, that was a pretty nice camping hack that I thought of. I mean, you never know what kind of grill you're gonna, or what kind of fire pit you're gonna get at a campground. So, having one of those little potty pails is pretty handy in a campground, and you don't need to use much charcoal, or even any charcoal really. You just need probably some fat wood and regular wood, like small pieces of wood. It's just like a hobo stove pretty much. Well, this next little trick is going to be for your pocket chainsaw. An easier way to use a pocket chainsaw at a campground or even at your regular camp in the woods, if you do not feel like making one of those swinging counterweights that I made at my camp over here. So I'll get you down a little bit lower to show you the main problem with using this pocket chainsaw. Then I'll bring you back up and show you a better way to use your pocket chainsaw. Hey, so normally you would have the log you want to cut raised up onto another log or rock or whatever, and you're trying to cut it like this. With the log moving around, and every now and then you could slip off your foot. Then you're gonna start over. Then you're also bending your back. So it's kind of bad on your back because you're crouched over and you're hurting your back. And a better way that I was cutting logs at my campground when I was camping, you find like a big tree that has like 2, maybe 3, even 4 other trunks shooting up. Just jam the log in. It ain't really gonna go anywhere. It may move a little bit, but not as much as when it's on your foot. And your back is straight. I mean, you can lean into this a little bit. Yeah, it does get jammed, but if it does get jammed, just take it out. You could even just finish breaking it, just like that. But if you can see, all this is smooth. It's just right up over here where you're just gonna break. And that's a better way to use a pocket chainsaw without hurting your back or really using too much energy. I mean, this is a pretty thick log, and right over here is where it started to jam. So, not that bad. So, when I'm cutting big logs like that, I'm probably not gonna use my folding saw. I use my pocket chainsaw. Find a tree with 2 or 3 tree trunks from one big tree trunk and just jam the log right in there. Keep my back straight, but I want to be bending over, crouched over, trying to hold the log that I'm cutting on another log with my foot and having to walk around and everything. And this is very light to carry. I mean, don't take up much room in my haversack, or I can even put it on my belt if I want. And that's it. A couple of nice camping hacks or bushcraft hacks for you. The first one, the Coleman Party Pail. The second one, better way to use a pocket chainsaw without hurting yourself. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on my next video. And remember, just when you're out there in the woods, keep practicing on your wood cutting, keep practicing on your fire making, keep practicing on your shelter building, and keep practicing on all other forms of bushcraft, because practice is the key to survival. And I would like to wish everyone out there to be safe and be well. Well, this is it for this video, and I'll catch you on my next video. This is Robert. Thank you for watching.